Hello, I'm Trace, and welcome to Trace vs. Nature, hosted by Trace. Today, I'll be trying to get out of this place. Step 1. I gotta get out of here, so I'm just gonna start walking in a random direction, because eventually I'm gonna have to get out of here. Alright, let's go. Let's do. I gotta find some food so I can survive. Hope we find. Oh, I spotted the deal! I hit him! He fell on the ground! I've hit him. He's down. Parkour. Oh, look at the weight of this big boy! Look at him! It's getting cold and late. Just to keep myself warm, I'm gonna use friction to start a fire. Come at any time. Stop it. Power! Fire! This is really hard. I couldn't start the fire because of the wind. I'm gonna have to go and find another place better if I want to start a fire. I'm bored in nature, so I'm gonna throw this rock as far as I can. And so I'm gonna use physics. It's supposed to be a 45-degree angle. So yeah. I went far! Yeah, I went far, dude. I wonder how far that rock went. I think I've been walking for 10 hours and I've spotted the highway. Hopefully the car comes soon. Let's go. Oh, I see some cars. Oh, sir, could you give me a ride? Yes, please. No, I'm on diesel more. Actually, yeah, I am Trace. I have to beat the nature.